Welcome to Venva Mom's Kitchen. My today's recipe is very delicious Sunday evening snack which is prawn 65. Okay, let's get started and catch up with the recipe. First take cleaned prawn and add quarter tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix it well and rest for few minutes until raw smell leaves from it. After few minutes, I'm going to add ingredients one by one for marination. 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, garam masala 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of curd. Half beaten egg is enough. I'm going to add half beaten egg. Then mix it well. Adding 1 tablespoon of salt and mixing it well. We have to rest it for at least 1 hour in refrigerator to allow prawn absorbs masala well. After an hour, we can take it out from fridge and bring it to room temperature. Then to fry, heat oil in a pan and drop all the marinated prawns one by one with the help of spoon. Once it gets fried well, drain out from the oil. Now our crispy, spicy prawn 65 is ready to serve. So enjoy by trying this recipe and please let me know how this turns out for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to catch up with the upcoming recipes.